Are you looking for a work from home job as a customer service associate? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, this is Shreshi Ghosh from FresherScam, and today in new day here I am with the latest job update, that is Amazon Work From Home Jobs 2024 hiring freshers as customer service associate with the salary up to 2.5 lakh per annum. Isn't this a great news? Yes, it is. So watch this video till the end if you want to get full details regarding this work from home job, as well as you will also be getting the step-by-step guide to apply for this post at Amazon. And FresherScam provides you with all such job notifications, regular updates regarding fresher job notifications, as well as internships, other such job details at your one-stop destination. So keep watching our videos on a daily basis, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates, and like, share and subscribe our channel so that you get all the updates and stay tuned with all such notifications. If you want to apply, you can apply from the link which have been given in our description box, which will direct you to the official website of the company, that is our FresherScam. After visiting our official website, you will notice that all the job related information has been mentioned, such as the eligibility criteria, roles and responsibilities, and many such job related information. Then when you scroll back down, you will notice the eligibility criteria. Candidates need to have any degree, graduation, and the job location will be across India. The candidates need to have 0 to 5 years of experience in this field and can expect up to 4.5 lakh per annum. Candidates need to apply for this post as soon as possible and grab this opportunity. Candidates minimum qualification required is 10+2 pass and shouldn't be enrolled in any regular course for now. Excellent communication skills is mandatory. Should be comfortable to work for night shifts as well as any rotational week off. Freshers who are done with their academic or examination can also apply. Additional benefits such as Zeta meal card as well as health insurance will also be, night shift allowance as well as overtime allowance, also 5-day consecutive week off, and also with 2 days week off, as well as pick and drop cab facilities and internet allowance. To complete the application, candidates need to have a laptop with good webcam as well as headphones setup. Candidates should not apply from mobile phone or tablet. Assessment should be done on a closed free environment with no such disturbance. Candidates are not allowed to take any help during the assessment, as the whole process will be recorded. So these were the eligibility criteria as well as the benefits and the assessment process. So if you have any queries, then you can comment down in our comment box section, and we'll try to provide you with a resolution as soon as possible. So after, when you will scroll back down all these things, then when you will notice an apply link option has been given, which will direct you to the official website of the company for which you're applying. In this case, it is Amazon. Then after visiting their official website, you have to fill in all the details which they have been asking for, and then your application for this job will be successful. I hope you get shortlisted and get enrolled in one of the multinational companies, that is Amazon. This is Shreshi Ghosh from FresherScam. We'll be back again with more such job recruitment announcements as well as fresher notifications at your one-stop destination, FresherScam. So what you are waiting for, go and apply for this post as soon as possible and grab this opportunity on Amazon. And thank you for watching this video till the end. We'll be back again. Stay tuned and keep watching, and do not forget to hit the bell icon for more such future updates. Till then, see you. Take care.